BlueStack 5 settings for low-end PC. So hey everyone, welcome to How to Browse a YouTube channel. In this video I'll try my best to help you increase the performance on your computer, on your laptop, when you're playing a game in BlueStack. So now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if this video helped you out, and also please watch this video till the very end because it's very important. If you miss any part of this video, you'll miss a lot, because if there's a setting you haven't changed, or you're not paying attention, then you'll lose a lot and you'll not increase your performance. So now let's jump right into the video. So first thing that you gotta do is to open BlueStack, and here click on these three dots and select settings. Here what you have to do first is to go to performance, and here if you have 6 cores, and how you can check that, you might ask yourself, is go to the taskbar and here click task manager, and from here what you have to do is pretty simple. Just go to performance and then CPU, and I have 6 cores, and 8 is, I think, is the best. But if you have 4, what you have to do here, instead of high, please select medium, 2 cores, or you can also select low. But if you have a good computer, you can also select 80s, but it's not, I don't really recommend, because as you can see here, this BlueStack warns you as well, like you shouldn't use the maximum, because you should have like the half. Like let's say you have 4 cores, 2 for BlueStack and the other 2 for your computer system. And now let's head over to memory allocation, and here what you should do, as I said, if you have, let's say, 8 gigabytes, then you should leave it as it is here, 4. But if you have 4 gigabytes, you should select here medium 2. And here in performance mode, here what you should do, if you have a low end PC, what you should do is just select low memory. But if you have a decent computer, then high performance. But just select here low memory for those that have a low end PC. And here please disable this and only select around like, if you're usually, when you're playing a game and you're not getting even 30 FPS or even 60, like you're not getting 60 FPS, it's around, is the FPS aren't stable and usually are between 40 or 30. I recommend to put your frame rate to around 40, as I think 40 FPS is almost playable. I mean, it's not that laggy, or at least that's what I feel like. You can even put 30, so at least you're getting 30 FPS, or 60. And here you can also enable FPS during gameplay, but this will not really affect your experience, like will not really affect your performance, but I'll just turn it off. And also here obviously you need to save changes, and then restart. I'll not save now or the changes. And here display resolution is very important. Please pay attention. This will really increase your FPS, because if you're like using the highest resolution, then your FPS, well, you won't get the stable FPS if you're using the highest resolution. So what I suggest you to use this resolution, or this one. And here pixel density, just use medium. And mouse cursor style, don't use the BlueStacks, just use the system default. It's just take more to load this. It just doesn't really matter. So here save, obviously you need to save and restart BlueStack. And then let's go to graphics. Here in graphics, this is also very, very important, will really improve the performance. Here in graphics engineer mode, go select here performance, and then compatibility, don't select this, just performance. We want performance, right? And here in graphics render, and usually I've tried DirectX, but feels like performance better when I selected OpenGL. And here interface render, just use, and here we can interfere render, you can leave it select, you can select auto, and here texture, just leave it as it is. And here, very important, prefer dedicated CPU. Like if I turn this off and trying to play a game on this emulator, I will lag a lot. Because this GeForce is not the best out there, but it's just decent graphic cards, a decent GPU. But if I turn this off, will it really lag a lot. I'm telling you, because I've tried. I've tested and it lags a lot. So yeah, that's very important. Please turn this on. Just that's why I also encourage you guys to go to your GPU, right? Look for the driver and update, sorry, to the latest driver, because this will really impact your performance. When I bought this laptop, I already tested a couple of games and it lagged a lot because I have not updated the GPU and the CPU and everything, mainly the GPU. Here, yes. And here, guys, please go to drivers, and if you have NVIDIA, GeForce, this graphic card, here just go to drivers, and from here you can update your driver. Now here just save changes, please, and let's go now to taskbar, and here please go to processes. Now I know I have a lot of processes, but what you have to do is to go to Bluestack, right click, and then you go to details, and from here right click on this HD player and set priority to high. Set to high, and click on here change priority. And that's very important also. Windows will prioritize Bluestack instead of other applications. And also another thing that's very important as well is to go to here, you have to go to the search bar, and here please write system configuration, and here go to boot and advanced options, and here number of processors. That's very important, because when I bought this laptop it was like unchecked, and you won't use the all the processor that you have, right? So please check this number of processors and select your select the number of the processors that you have. The highest number here for me is 12, and okay, that's very important. Please do it, and apply, and okay, exit. And now also go to system properties, and here please go to advanced and performance, and here performance, probably for you adjust for best appearance, and I don't want that. I want adjust for best performance, and only check show thumbnails instead of icons, because that's the thing, it's pretty useful feature. And also smooth edges of screen fonts, because without it looks awful. And okay, and okay. And now the latest settings that you have to do on your Windows, which is very important, is go to background apps. That's only if you're using Windows 10. Also, by the way, when you use on 10, because you're getting more performance, it's faster than Windows 11, but there's not a really huge difference, but there is. So yeah, if you really want, or I mean, it's a hassle to reinstall the Windows, but if you really want FPS, you should try to reinstall your Windows and install Windows 10. But that's not, as I said, a huge difference. But yeah, now you just start off background apps, and also what you have to do is to go back to Task Manager, and here obviously please right click on any apps and task like VirtualBox. This obviously takes a lot of performance, a lot of GPU, a lot of percentage, a lot of performance from from playing a game. So obviously I have to end this task and this task as well. A lot of tasks I have to end when I want to play a game, because otherwise it'll lag a lot, even if I have a decent laptop, decent. So that's what I have for you guys. If this video helped you out, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would really help a lot, this small YouTube channel. And let me know in the comment section what problems you have with BlueStack, and if this video helped you out to fix the problem. If not, let me know in the comment section and I'll look for other ways to help you fix this issue, because I know it's very tiring. It's so annoying when you're trying to have some fun playing a game or whatever you do in BlueStack, and simply it's not working. It's lagging. It's sluggish. It's toggling. It's whatever, So please let me know in the comment section, and I'll look for other ways to fix this problem. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.